What is the cheapest Lexus model to insure? If you are curious about which Lexus model is the most affordable to insure, you are in the right spot. Let's break down the details to help you make an informed decision. The Lexus RX stands out as the cheapest model to insure. On average, full coverage for the RX costs between $177 and $208 per month. This price can vary based on factors like your location and the type of coverage you choose. What makes the RX a more budget-friendly option? Its classification as a midsize luxury sport utility vehicle contributes significantly. The RX comes equipped with strong safety features, which can lower insurance costs. Additionally, the repair costs for this model are moderate, making it less expensive to fix in case of an accident. In contrast, sportier models like the Lexus RC can cost around $256 per month for insurance. The Lexus GX, another sport utility vehicle, averages between $256 and $301 monthly. The Lexus IS sedan falls into a similar range, costing between $235 and $352 monthly. The Lexus S sedan typically costs around $188 to $206 per month for insurance. When selecting an auto insurance policy, it's essential to consider how vehicle type affects premiums. Generally, vehicles with higher performance and sporty features tend to have higher insurance costs. This is because they are often associated with a greater risk of accidents or theft. On the other hand, vehicles like the RX, which are designed for safety and practicality, usually come with lower premiums. It is also important to note that insurance premiums can vary by insurer and depend on your driving history, age, and other personal factors. However, the RX consistently remains the most affordable Lexus model to insure. If keeping insurance costs low is a priority for you while still enjoying the luxury of a Lexus, the RX is an excellent choice. With its blend of safety, reliability, and lower insurance costs, it makes for a smart investment in both luxury and practicality.